Welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both inspiring and practical: how to build wealth even if your income is modest. Many people believe that wealth is only for those with high salaries, but that's simply not true. With the right mindset, habits, and strategies, anyone can start building a solid financial foundation. In this video, we'll break down actionable steps, real-life examples, and proven methods that can help you grow your wealth, no matter your starting point. Let's begin this journey together and discover how small changes can lead to big results over time. The first step to building wealth, regardless of your income, is adopting the right mindset. It's easy to feel discouraged when you see others earning more, but remember, wealth is built over time, not overnight. Focus on what you can control: your habits, your spending, and your attitude toward money. Believe that you can improve your financial situation, even if progress feels slow at first. This positive mindset will help you stay motivated and persistent, which are key ingredients for long-term success. To build wealth, you need to know exactly where your money is going. Start by tracking every dollar you earn and spend. This might sound tedious, but it's a powerful way to uncover hidden expenses and identify areas where you can save. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app, whatever works best for you. Over time, you'll gain a clear picture of your financial habits, making it easier to make informed decisions and set realistic goals. Once you're tracking your money, the next step is to create a simple budget. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about making sure your money works for you. Allocate your income to essentials like rent, food, and utilities first. Then, set aside a portion for savings, even if it's small. Finally, give yourself a little room for enjoyment. The key is to be intentional with every dollar, so you can gradually build up your savings and avoid unnecessary debt. A powerful wealth-building habit is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside money for savings before you spend on anything else. Even if it's just a few dollars each week, this habit helps you prioritize your future. Automate your savings if possible, so you don't have to think about it. Over time, these small amounts add up, creating a financial cushion that can protect you from unexpected expenses and help you invest in opportunities. Building wealth on a low income often means making tough choices. Review your spending and identify expenses that aren't essential. Maybe it's a subscription you rarely use or frequent takeout meals. Cutting back doesn't mean eliminating all fun, but it does mean prioritizing what truly matters. Redirect the money you save into your savings or investments. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar that can work for your future. Debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth, especially if it comes with high interest rates. Avoid taking on new debt for things that don't increase your income or long-term value, like expensive gadgets or impulse purchases. If you already have debt, focus on paying it down as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest balances. Reducing debt frees up more of your income for saving and investing. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, start building this fund as soon as possible. Aim for at least a few $100s to cover unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Having an emergency fund prevents you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball and gives you peace of mind as you work toward your bigger financial goals. While controlling expenses is crucial, increasing your income can accelerate your wealth-building journey. Look for opportunities to earn extra money, such as part-time work, freelancing, or selling unused items. Consider learning new skills that can help you qualify for better-paying jobs in the future. Even small increases in income can make a big difference when you're consistent and intentional about saving and investing the extra money. Frugality isn't about being cheap, it's about being resourceful and intentional with your money. Find ways to enjoy life without overspending. Cook at home, use public transportation, and take advantage of free community events. By embracing frugality, you can stretch your dollars further and save more, even on a limited income. Remember, every bit you save brings you closer to your financial goals. One of the easiest ways to save consistently is to automate the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each payday. This way, you don't have to rely on willpower or remember to save manually. Automation makes saving effortless and ensures you're always making progress toward your goals, no matter how busy life gets. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. Thanks to technology, you can start investing with just a few dollars. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Look into low-cost index funds or micro-investing apps. Even small, regular investments can add up over time and help you build real wealth, regardless of your income. Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. It means you earn interest not just on your original savings, but also on the interest that money earns over time. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it grows, like a snowball rolling downhill. Even small contributions can turn into significant sums if you give them enough time to compound. Setting clear, achievable financial goals gives you direction and motivation. Decide what you want to accomplish, whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a big purchase. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps and track your progress regularly. This keeps you focused and helps you celebrate small wins along the way, making the journey to wealth more rewarding. A popular budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings or debt repayment. This simple framework helps you balance living for today with planning for tomorrow. Adjust the percentages as needed to fit your situation, but always aim to save and invest a portion of your income, no matter how small. You don't need to spend a lot to improve your financial knowledge or skills. Take advantage of free or low-cost resources like public libraries, online courses, podcasts, and community workshops. Learning more about money management, investing, and career development can help you make smarter decisions and open up new opportunities for growth. Building wealth doesn't have to be a solo journey. Seek out support from friends, family, or local groups who share your financial goals. Join online communities or social media groups focused on saving and investing. Sharing experiences, tips, and encouragement can help you stay accountable and motivated, especially when challenges arise. Don't be afraid to negotiate your bills and expenses. Many service providers are willing to offer discounts or better rates if you ask. Call your internet, phone, or insurance company and see if there are promotions or lower-cost plans available. Even small reductions in monthly bills can free up extra money for savings and investments. As your income grows, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle with new gadgets, cars, or vacations. But this can quickly eat up any extra money you earn. Instead, keep your expenses steady and direct any raises or bonuses towards savings and investments. This discipline helps you build wealth faster and avoid the trap of always needing more to feel satisfied. Practicing gratitude can help you feel more content with what you have, reducing the urge to spend on things you don't need. Take time each day to appreciate the progress you've made and the resources you already have. This mindset shift can make it easier to stick to your financial plan and focus on your long-term goals. Using cash for discretionary spending, like dining out or entertainment, can help you stick to your budget. Withdraw a set amount each week and use only that for non-essential purchases. When the cash runs out, you know it's time to pause until next week. This simple trick makes it easier to control impulse spending and stay on track. Before making any purchase, compare prices and look for discounts or coupons. Shopping smart means getting the best value for your money, not just the lowest price. Take advantage of sales, buy in bulk when it makes sense, and avoid impulse buys. Over time, these habits can lead to significant savings and help you stretch your budget further. If your job offers benefits like retirement plans, health savings accounts, or matching contributions, make sure to take full advantage. These perks can boost your savings and reduce your expenses, helping you build wealth faster. Even if your employer's contribution seems small, they're essentially free money that can grow over time. Good health is a valuable asset. Medical bills can quickly derail your financial plans, so take steps to stay healthy. Eat well, exercise regularly, and get preventive care when possible. If you have insurance, Understand your coverage and use it wisely. Staying healthy helps you avoid costly setbacks and keeps you on track to build wealth. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Be wary of schemes or investments that promise quick, guaranteed returns. These are often scams that can cost you money and set you back. Stick to proven strategies like saving, budgeting, and investing in diversified, low-cost funds. Slow and steady wins the race when it comes to wealth. Every step you take toward building wealth is worth celebrating. Whether you pay off a small debt, reach a savings milestone, or stick to your budget for a month, acknowledge your progress. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and reminds you that every effort counts, no matter how modest. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, so it's important to review your budget and progress regularly. Set aside time each month to check in on your spending, savings, and investments. Adjust your plan as needed to stay on track and make the most of new opportunities or challenges that arise. Everyone makes financial mistakes at some point. The key is to learn from them and move forward. If you overspend or make a poor investment, don't be too hard on yourself. Reflect on what happened, adjust your approach, and use the experience to make better decisions in the future. Growth comes from learning, not from being perfect. Sharing your financial knowledge with friends or family not only helps them, but also reinforces your own learning. Discuss budgeting, saving, and investing strategies with those around you. Teaching others can deepen your understanding and create a supportive environment where everyone can grow together. Distinguishing between needs and wants is crucial for effective budgeting. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and utilities, while wants are things that enhance your lifestyle but aren't necessary. By prioritizing needs and being mindful of wants, you can make better spending decisions and free up more money for savings and investments. Building wealth is less about one-time actions and more about consistent habits. Small, positive actions repeated over time, like saving a little each week or reviewing your budget, can have a huge impact. Focus on building good financial habits and let them compound just like your savings. Over time, these habits will become second nature and drive your success. Don't let a small income discourage you from dreaming big. Every journey starts with a single step, and even modest savings can grow into significant wealth over time. Focus on what you can do today and keep your long-term vision in mind. With patience and persistence, small actions can lead to big results. Occasionally, you might receive unexpected money, a tax refund, bonus, or gift. Instead of spending it all, use windfalls to boost your savings, pay down debt, or invest. Allocating these extra funds wisely can accelerate your progress and help you reach your financial goals faster. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's the result of consistent effort and planning over many years. Set long-term goals, like retirement or homeownership, and break them into smaller milestones. Review your progress regularly and adjust your plan as needed. Staying focused on the big picture helps you stay motivated, even when progress feels slow. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Look for ways to diversify, such as starting a side hustle, investing, or developing new skills. Multiple income streams provide stability and can help you build wealth more quickly, even if each source is modest on its own. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey. Stay informed about personal finance by reading books, following reputable blogs, or listening to podcasts. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Make learning about money a regular part of your routine. As you build wealth, it's important to protect what you've earned. Make sure you have adequate insurance for your health, property, and income. Keep important documents safe and consider creating a simple will. Protecting your assets ensures that your hard work isn't undone by unexpected events. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Spend time and resources on education, skill building, and personal development. These investments can lead to higher income, better job opportunities, and greater satisfaction in life. Remember, your earning potential is one of your greatest assets. Building wealth on a low income requires patience and persistence. There will be setbacks and slow periods, but don't give up. Stay committed to your plan, keep learning, and trust the process. Over time, your efforts will compound and lead to meaningful results. It's easy to compare your progress to others, especially in the age of social media. Remember, everyone's financial journey is unique. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Comparing yourself to others can lead to frustration and poor decisions. Stay true to your path. There are many apps and tools available to help you budget, save, and invest. Explore technology that can automate your finances, track your spending, and provide educational resources. Using these tools can make managing your money easier and more efficient, even if you're starting with a small income. Taxes can take a big bite out of your income if you're not prepared. Learn about tax credits, deductions, and strategies that can help you keep more of your money. Planning for taxes ensures you're not caught off guard and can maximize your savings each year. Generosity isn't just for the wealthy. Giving back, even in small ways, can bring joy and purpose to your financial journey. Whether it's donating a few dollars, volunteering your time, or helping a friend in need, giving back creates a sense of abundance and gratitude that can motivate you to keep moving forward. Life is unpredictable, and your financial plan may need to change as circumstances evolve. Stay flexible and be willing to adapt your strategies as needed. Whether it's a job loss, a new opportunity, or a change in expenses, being adaptable ensures you can keep moving toward your goals, no matter what comes your way. Building wealth on a low income is absolutely possible with the right mindset, habits, and strategies. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how you manage and grow what you have. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every step forward. Over time, your efforts will compound, and you'll be amazed at how far you've come. Your wealth journey is unique, embrace it, and keep moving forward with confidence.